Buying your first home defense shotgun seems simple. You walk into a store, you look at a few options, you pick something that looks powerful, and you assume you're ready. That's what most people do. But in 2026, that approach creates more problems than it solves, because not every shotgun is built for the same purpose. And more importantly, not every shotgun is built for a beginner. Some are designed for hunting at distance, some are built for competitive shooting, some look aggressive, but lack real-world consistency. And then there are a few that just work. No unnecessary complexity, no unpredictable behavior, no learning curve that overwhelms the user, just consistent performance, every single time. That's what we mean when we say bulletproof, not indestructible, but dependable. Because for a first-time buyer, dependability is everything. Today, we're breaking down 7 of the most reliable home defense shotguns every beginner should consider in 2026. Number 7. Stevens 320. The Stevens 320 from Savage Arms represents the true entry point. This is where most first-time buyers begin. It's affordable, simple, and built around a pump-action system. That pump-action design is important because it removes complexity. There's no gas system, no recoil-based cycling. The user operates the action manually. That means fewer things can go wrong. And for beginners, that matters more than anything else. Now, let's be clear. This is not a refined shotgun. The action can feel stiff. The finish is basic. But that doesn't affect its core function. It works. And for someone learning the fundamentals, that's enough. Because early on, consistency matters more than comfort. Number 6. Mossberg Maverick 88. The Maverick 88 from OF Mossberg & Sons is one of the most recommended beginner shotguns in the world, and that reputation is earned. It's built on the Mossberg 500 platform, which means the design is already proven. The pump action system is reliable. It cycles different types of loads without issue. And most importantly, it behaves predictably. That's the key, because when you're new to shotguns, you don't want surprises. You want consistency. You want to know exactly how the firearm will respond every time you use it. And the Maverick 88 delivers that. Number 5, Remington 870. The Remington 870 from Remington Arms is one of the most established shotguns ever produced. This is where performance starts to feel more refined. The steel receiver adds durability. The action is smoother than most entry-level options, and that smoothness matters because under pressure, every extra bit of resistance becomes noticeable. A smoother action means less effort. Less effort means better control, and better control means better performance. The 870 has been trusted for decades, not because it's flashy, but because it's reliable. Number 4. Mossberg 500. The Mossberg 500 from OF Mossberg & Sons takes everything that works in the Maverick 88 and improves it. Better ergonomics, more refined controls, enhanced usability. One of its biggest advantages is the tang-mounted safety. It's positioned in a way that feels natural, easy to reach, easy to operate. And for a beginner, that simplicity makes a difference. Because under stress, you don't want to think about controls. You want them to feel automatic. The Mossberg 500 delivers that. Number 3. Benelli Nova Tactical. The Nova Tactical from Benelli Army represents a more modern approach. This is where durability and refinement come together. The one-piece receiver construction adds strength. The action feels smoother compared to traditional pump shotguns, and the overall balance improves control. For beginners, this creates a more stable experience. The shotgun feels solid, it behaves consistently, and that consistency reduces mistakes, because when a firearm feels predictable, the user becomes more confident. Number 2. Mossberg 940 Tactical. This is where things start to shift. The Mossberg 940 Tactical from OF Mossberg & Sons introduces semi-automatic operation, and that changes how the system behaves. With pump-action shotguns, the user must cycle the action manually. With semi-auto, the system does it. That eliminates one of the biggest beginner errors: improper cycling. It also reduces the amount of physical effort required, and that matters under stress. The gas-operated system reduces recoil, which improves control, and improved control leads to better performance. For a first-time buyer who wants a more forgiving platform, this is a strong option. Number 1. Beretta 1301 Tactical. At number 1, the Beretta 1301 Tactical from Beretta stands out as the most complete system. This is where everything comes together: speed, control, reliability. The Blink gas system cycles extremely fast, but more importantly, it cycles consistently. The recoil is reduced, the controls are intuitive, and the overall experience feels smooth. For a beginner, that smoothness removes friction. It makes the system easier to use, it reduces hesitation, and it allows the user to focus on control instead of mechanics. What bulletproof really means: it doesn't mean indestructible, it means predictable. A bulletproof shotgun is one that behaves the same way every time. It doesn't introduce variables, it doesn't require constant adjustment, it just works. And for beginners, that consistency is everything. Why simplicity is still king. There's a temptation to choose the most advanced option, more features, more accessories. But for a first-time buyer, that often creates confusion because complexity introduces variables, and variables create hesitation. A simple shotgun is easier to learn, easier to control, easier to trust, and trust is what builds confidence. Choosing your first home defense shotgun is not about getting the most powerful option. It's about getting the right one, the one that works consistently. Make sure you subscribe to True Firearms, because here, we don't follow hype. We focus on what actually works. Stay sharp.